So we are on chapter number 8, in which we are working with structs and array. Creating new structs. Remember our person struct in the previous example. Struct person, uint age, string name, public person, public people. Now we are going to learn how create a new person and add them to our people array. Okay. Now this is a syntax how we can create a new person like this. We are passing the values which is age and name, then then push this person into an array, this array. We can also combine these together and do them in one line of code to keep things clean. We can do this also by just passing it like that. Note, array was supposed to add something to end of the array, so the elements are in order we added them. So the following example, doing numbers, number push 5, number push 10, number push 15. So that's how it will going to show. The last one is at the last index of an array. That the last index of an array. Now let's see. Put it to test. Let's make our create zombie function to do something. Fill in the function body so it creates a new zombie. Okay. And adds it to the zombies array, name and DNA. For the new zombie should come from the function argument. Okay, let's do it in a one line of code to keep the things clean. Okay, now let's create it like that. Zombies dot push zombie struct and just pass name comma DNA. So that's how we're going to create a new zombie and push into zombies array. Now let's check it if our answer is correct or not. Yes, it is. So great. So we have seen in this chapter how we can work with struct and array. Now let's move on to the chapter number 9.